Hi, I'm Daniel from Jobber. Let's go over the different request statuses. New. Requests that have this status have been created internally or submitted by a client, but no further action has been taken yet. Assessment completed. The assessment for this request has been completed, but the request hasn't been converted or archived. This status is a prompt that something needs to be done with the request, whether it's archiving it or converting it into a quote or a job. Overdue. This status means that the assessment of the request has not been completed and its scheduled date has come and gone. Unscheduled. These are requests that will have an assessment, but the assessment has not been scheduled yet. Converted. These are requests that have been converted into a quote or job. Archived. These are requests that are not moving ahead. Requests that are archived have never been converted and are not visible to the client. This is one of the final statuses for a request. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to check out our Help Center.